Welcome everybody, Kelly Driver here. Thank you for joining my YouTube channel for this video. I am doing two paintings this afternoon and I've just completed one, which was a commission piece for a client that was had the same colours in it as a previous artwork that I've done called Love is Golden. And now I've decided I'm going to do a second piece using the same colours. So, but I'll put them in a different order. So it's the same size canvas, it's a 40 by 40, but I'm going to apply the paints in a different order and we'll see how differently the artwork comes out at the end. So let's begin. Right, so we've got a 40-40 canvas, centimeters, and here is my Prussian blue. Unfortunately it has lots of bubbles in it, so we'll have to give it a very good torch. Okay, I'll blow that out. Okay, so we're going to do two stripes. That's what the Love is Golden one. Now I had a previous attempt and I did my colours in a different order and it came up with a completely different result. So this time I'm going to do it exactly the same way that I did it in my Love is Golden piece, and hoping to get a similar result to the original. And if we don't, then it just shows that you can never replicate acrylic pouring as much as you might try. It's very difficult to get the same thing twice. So this is ultramarine violet light. The previous colour was phthalo blue. This is caput mortuum.
I can't do that.
Oh, I'm not talking to you, Siri. This is blue violet. Now we're going to do gold yellow. I think that will come out very nice against the blue violet. A small amount of copper. Deep gold. And finally, pearl blue. So I'll just put some more Prussian around to flood the canvas. Give it a torch. Now first of all I'll blow the paint over and then I will blow it out. Now this one looks a little bit more like my original Love is Golden, unlike the previous painting I did before, although it is actually very different again, but it's got a lot more of the yellow gold showing this time. Maybe I'll just give it a torch, see what comes. Oh, I love it. Fantastic colours in this, absolutely fantastic. Let's have a zoom around. So this is the top with this beautiful violet coming through, and I just love that gold yellow. I just love it. And down here there's this lovely shimmer going through there, which is just beautiful. And then we're coming up through the center and up the top here. So pretty, so beautiful. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. I'm Kelly Driver, and I will see you next time.